while credit may be more available for large businesses, too many small business owners are still struggling to get the credit they need. If you've already filed your taxes and missed some of the savings available to you, don't worry. You can still amend your returns after April 15th to save hundreds or even thousands of dollars. And more than 4.3 million feet of boom have been deployed, with another 2.9 million feet of boom available, enough to stretch over 1,300 miles. That's why I fought so hard to pass a jobs bill to cut taxes and make more loans available for entrepreneurs. But ultimately, our true measure of progress has to be whether every American who wants a job can find one, whether the jobs available pay well and offer good benefits, whether people in this country can still achieve the American dream for themselves and for their children. If we're going to take control of our energy future and avoid these gas price spikes down the line, then we need a sustained, all of the above strategy that develops every available source of American energy: oil, gas, wind, solar, nuclear, biofuels, and more. We're going to continue to make sure that the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Forest Service, our military, and National Guard, and all the resources that we have available at the federal level are brought to bear in fighting this. And the millions of Americans who are working hard right now deserve to know that the care they need will be available when they need it. When it comes to taxes, for example, there are two paths available. The wealthiest individuals and the biggest corporations shouldn't be able to take advantage of loopholes and deductions that aren't available to most Americans. It has to be available to everybody who's willing to work for it. The gun lobby is loud and well organized in its defense of effortlessly available guns for anyone. They will direct a comprehensive effort that will help lift up the hardest hit areas by using the unprecedented levels of funding available in our Recovery Act and throughout our government to create new manufacturing jobs and new businesses where they're needed most in your communities.
That's why our Department of Homeland Security is making up to $59 million available to defend our common border from this threat to both of our.
Let's make adoption more available. Loans will be guaranteed 100% by the SBA, and they'll be available starting June 15th. Know that sometimes the slogans about clean energy and green energy may be a little more forward-leaning than the realities of the numbers of jobs that are currently being produced or the technologies that are currently available. And so that's why, whenever possible, my administration will make all information available to the American people so that they can make informed judgments and hold us accountable. If you don't have health insurance, then you have an option available to you.
The United States has already promised to increase the aid to other countries, and they're going to make in the next 3 years huge amounts of money available.